here's the plan. If you caught my unboxing of the 7220 earlier, then you know this is the second Outlaw amp to show up on my doorstep. The idea is to see how good these two amps work together in an Atmos DTS-X setup. The 7220 will power the lower 7-channel speakers, and the 5000, this amp here, will power the height speakers, which I have 4 of. So let's get it unboxed and hooked up. But before we get into it, if you're a home theater fan or a movie fan, then consider subscribing for new weekly content on what's new in the audio and video world. All right, let's get it unboxed. So the 5000 is about half the weight of the 7220, coming in at 50 pounds. So it's a little less of a struggle to carry it around. Inside we get the power cord, the amplifier, and the manual. If you want to increase the sound quality of your home theater, I think this amp could be a good starting point. It's affordable, retailing for only $650. And taking a look at the brushed aluminum front fascia, you can see it's got a no-frills design. Simple and understated, with only a power button and some logos. It's moderately sized too, at only 17 inches wide by 6 inches high by 16 inches deep. I'll just put this Blu-ray right here just for some scale. Around back are unbalanced RCA inputs and binding posts for your speakers. There's a trigger input with Selector and the power input. As far as power ratings, the 5000 is putting out 120 watts into 5 channels at 8 ohms, or 180 watts per channel into 4 ohms. This is with all channels driven at the same time. And unlike your receiver's power rating, which could say 180 watts per channel as well, is typically measured at only 1 or maybe 2 channels driven at the same time. So with most external amplifiers, you're actually getting true specified output. So this is just a quick unboxing and a little overview. Like I mentioned earlier, this will go on my audio rack to power the height speakers in my home theater. So we'll be back in a few weeks to give you our thoughts on how it performs and how it stacks up against its bigger brother, the 7220. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave us a comment and let us know how many 5000s are you guys running in your systems. I know there's a few of you out there. Be sure to follow us on your favorite social media outlet, and if you want to support the channel and get exclusive updates and giveaways, then stop by our Patreon page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again in the next video.